So, having made that request, he ascended the funeral pyre. What did he do? So Srila tells us in this shloka. With these words, that he asked this request of the Lady of Sri Ram, my Lord, remain here until I give up this body. So having ascended that funeral pyre, nobody lit any fire. By the power of yoga, he lit the fire himself. The vital airs within the body come into contact, and boom, fire is created. That is the power of the yogis. So nobody has to light any fire. By virtue of his yogic powers, he lit that fire. And Tulsidas is saying, he consumed his body in the fire of yoga, and by Sri Rama's grace, Rama Kripa Vaikuntha is. Vaikuntha is the home of Sri Ram, the heavenly abode. By the grace of Prabhu Sri Ram, he ascended to Vaikuntha. Tulsidas says here, Tate Muni Haridina Navayu Pratama Hideda Bhakti Vada Dayo. He's saying here that because he had received a boon of devotion already from Sri Ram, he was not absorbed in the body of Sri Ram. But he received a boon of separate devotion before his death. So he got what we call Salokya Mukti. That is to live in the same home of the beloved Lord. There are different types, there are 4 different types of mukti or salvation. He got Salokya Mukti, where you live in the same abode of Prabhu Sri Ram. So my friends, I want to remember the request he asked. The request that he asked was that, my Lord, I want you to remain in my presence before I depart this body. I want to tell you what Sri Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. Shri Krishna Chaitanya